Drive, hurry up, go. Okay.
What did you do?
Know what I do? What I do? Dude, I got us Casey Neistat's new, what is this, Mavic 2? These aren't even out yet. Look, I got 2 of them. Pull over. We're putting this up right now.
You got me an accomplice. I'm now an accomplice.
Take the remote.
Totally legal, by the way. You know that?
Yeah.
You fly a drone from a moving vehicle.
Really?
Yeah. FAA 107.25.
When it hits you, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes,
The refreshing oasis that is the all-new Lake Dolores Resort and Rockahula Waterpark. Visitors are treated to an atmosphere filled with relax in the cool flow of the Blue Bayou River, or take time to enjoy one of the many shaded areas in the park. The all-new Lake Dolores Resort and Rockahula Waterpark has no shortage of smalls.
Are we?
Well, being that you stole the drones, I thought I'd take you to abandoned water park.
Dude, that's perfect. An abandoned water park. Water. I say water. Is that weird?
That sounds right.
Okay. It's finally happened. I got my hands on a DJI product before it's out, and it is the Mavic 2, and they have stepped up and made 2 Mavic 2s. I don't know what the difference is. I got my buddy Josh here. You might know Josh from the festival that I went to a while ago. This is Josh.
Hey.
All those really cool shots that you saw us driving on the playa, he's the one that provided. What do you got there?
Dear Casey, inside of the 2 new Mavic drones, the Mavic Pro 2 has a new Hasselblad camera with aperture control and 1-inch sensor. The Mavic Zoom has a 24 to 48 millimeter zoom lens and is unlike anything you've ever flown. These will be pretty hard to crash even for you with our new omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system.
What the hell does that mean?
It means it's got sensors left, down, up, right, backwards, forwards.
Oh. I mean, my question is, which one actually has the better quality?
That one has 10-bit. I'm guessing that one.
I want to see it. Let's put them up.
Get the naked when it hits you, yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, when it hits you, yes, you.
All right, so we compared the difference, and to me, it doesn't look much different. Something I'm really excited about with this drone is it has a 24 to 48 optical zoom, and what that means is it doesn't do it like digital like the old Mavic. It actually has an optical zoom, and I always wanted to try to do this illusion where it looks like the Zolly.
He means a Zolly. It's basically when you're moving forward, but the lens is pulling back, and it does a weird warping thing. It was made famous by Alfred Hitchcock's film Vertigo.
Oh yeah, Vertigo. It's gonna do the Vertigo effect. Let me try it out. Screw it. I'm gonna go through that window. I'm gonna go right through that window. You got faith in me? And the Vertigo effect through the window. Let's do this. I hope I don't crash here. Yo, you saw the room like bend. I know you can do that in post, but doing it in camera is next level. That zoom feature is crazy. What else does this thing do? This is an abandoned water park. I actually got myself a Super 73 out here. I want to go explore and see what kind of stuff they got. It's the lazy river. You know what I'm talking about? It's empty though. I gotta ride the bike in that thing. Whoa, glass, whoa. So the Mavic 2 Zoom shoots 8-bit. The Hasselblad inch sensor shoots 10-bit. What does that even mean, 10-bit?
All right, so 8-bit, imagine these both shoot 4K.
Right.
You have a box of crayons to color this 4K image, right?
Okay.
This one, you get 8 crayons to color it. This one, you get 32 crayons.
Oh.
So the colors are much more complex, more vibrant. You can push colors around if you're a colorist.
Okay.
Let me just show you. I got some.
1, 2, 3, do it!
Yeah, the 10-bit's cool, but I want to go back to the Zoom so we could do that punched in. I feel like it has more a cinematic look.
Yeah, you
know
want
what I
that
mean?
longer lens stuff. I'm talking like Michael Bay orbiting effect. The longer the lens, the more parallax.
Yes.
We just got to stick you on top of something where I can orbit around you.
Something like that.
That'll work.
You got me going up this tower, I'm scared.
You're going to be fine.
Oh, man. You don't know how much I hate heights. Oh, wait, there's no steps here. Josh, no. Josh. Josh, I hate it. I hate it, Josh. There's no steps here. So scared.
All right, drone's going up in the air.
Close, mister.
Hey, you!
Listen, Josh, you have no idea. You think it's funny. I'm literally shaking. I couldn't do it. You go. Bro, please be careful.
What?
Wow.
We ran out of sunlight, but we got the test. Both the Hasselblad. How do you say it?
Hasselblad.
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 This is the NASA camera
Yeah.
with the 1-inch sensor and the DJI Zoom. So playing around with these, I mean, I feel like all in all, the Zoom is a better look.
I agree. Yeah, if you're a regular vlogger or traveler and you want a drone, this is what you're going to want to do. If you're a colorist and you care about changing colors and how things look in post, then that is going to be that's going to be super helpful for you. The aperture control on that thing is super dope though. So if you want that shallow depth of field,
Wow. So
Right.
yeah, so I mean, it's a tough choice for you guys, but we're both going Zoom. Josh did a more in-depth review of the drones, so if you want to check out that, he's going to put that on his channel. Put a link in the description. Go show him some love. He's going to be putting up lots of cool content. And Josh, thanks for coming out and helping me out, dog. I really appreciate it. He rented the truck. He got me out here. Dog, you helped me get away. You did the getaway driver. Yeah, so let's head back to Venice, and I have a feeling that we might run into Casey that can maybe give him this drone first.